Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 12 Cbse Maths Integrals exercise 7.10 question number 2. Let's see the question. Integrate root of sine phi into cos power phi d phi into d phi from 0 to pi by 2. Here we are going to use the substitution method. For substitution method, we need to integrate this. Integration is, here we have root sine phi and cos phi. We know that if anything in the root, we need to, one is the differentiation of the other, means if the root value should be your u value or t value, let u is equal to sine phi. I know that my differentiation becomes cos phi. So I want only cos phi d phi to write it as du, but we have the whole power phi here. There should not be any whole power. For that reason, I am going to change the given thing as root of sine phi into cos power 4 into cos phi, because I want only one cos phi. For that, I am going to change the cos power 4. Cos power 4 as cos square the whole square into cos phi d phi from 0 to pi by 2. Now, this can also be written as sine phi into 1 minus sine square phi, the whole square into cos phi into d phi. Now the whole square, we can substitute it to be u. This becomes root u into 1 minus u square the whole square du. This can be written as du. But the thing is, here we need to substitute the values. The values cannot be 0 to pi by 2. It's only for d phi, not for u. For u, you need to find the values. By substituting the values to find u, we need to substitute the value for phi. If I substitute here, u is equal to the lower value. If I substitute it as 0, it becomes sine 0 0. So there is no change in the lower value. For upper value, sine pi by 2 is sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. So here this becomes 1. Now let me solve this. Here, as it is in whole square, we need to write the formula a minus b whole square formula. This becomes 0 to 1 root u a square plus b square, that is u square the whole square becomes u power 4 minus 2ab becomes 2u square du. Now this becomes the whole power half. Multiply this inside. If I multiply this inside, it becomes 0 to 1 u power half. Here this becomes, we need to take LCM while doing. So 4 means 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 2. Minus, if I multiply this 2 u power, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 by 2. Sorry, this we have taken 0 to 1 du. Now we need to integrate. This is in the form of x power n. X power n integration is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. The same way we are going to do. So this becomes u power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 1 by 2 plus 1. Here u power 9 by 2 plus 1 by 9 by 2 plus 1. Here this becomes minus 2 u power 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 plus 1 from 0 to 1. Now substituting the one value, you can also solve this and substitute, or directly we can substitute the value. But anyway, let me solve it so that it will be easy for us to solve. Yeah, this becomes 3 by 2. So u power 3 by 2. In the denominator also will be getting 3 by 2. And taking it to the numerator as a reciprocal, it becomes 2 by 3. The same thing here. 11. So u power 11 by 2. Here this becomes 2 by 11. Plus u power, sorry, minus 2 into here u power 2 ones are 2 plus 5, 7 by 2. The numerator also it becomes 2 by 7. The denominator will become 7 by 2. I am taking it to the numerator, it becomes 2 by 7. Now substituting the 1 value and the 0 value. Now 1 value, everything will become 1. So 1 power any number will be 1. So the coefficients will be alone. So it becomes 2 by 3 plus 2 by 11 minus 2 2s are 4 by 7. You are taking LCM, all the 3 will be the LCM. So the LCM here is 33 into 7. 231. So 231 will be your LCM. Now we need to multiply 2 into 77. So here we have 77. So 77 into 2 will become 7 2s are 14, 154. Plus here we need to multiply with 21. So 2 into 21 will give you 42. Minus 4 into here 33. So 4 into 33. 4. 132. Now if I solve this here, we need to add, it becomes 154 plus 42 will become 691. 196 minus 132 will give you 4, 6. So your final answer for the sum is 64 by 231. This is your final answer. That's all with the sum. Thank you.